If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Welcome to First Garden, New Gardener. I'm Joy Baird. It is the end of the season and I wanted to provide you an update on our wooden door raised bed. We had an old wooden door in the attic and we decided to cut it in pieces in order to construct a raised bed. May have been worth a lot of money, don't know. Not really the point of this. So what we had done early on in the season was we cut it to 10-inch heights. And we had enough to do 3 sides. The side which is in front of you, we had to put slats in order to finish the construction of that end there. What we found was if you're going to cut one of these doors, these slats in the side here are loose. So this was the side, this was the side that had paint on it, it's flaking off. This was the side that would close and form the door. So we cut 10 inches high. And then we cut and did the same duplication for this end here. What we learned was, as you see here, this is puckering out here. This was the center. And the center completely fell apart because there was no structural integrity of this main board with these interlacing pieces going into it. So all that side is just friction fitted together. So it has held up quite well. It is hard, durable wood, unlike doors made today. So it is something that we probably will get at least another season out of. It is something, if you have the availability, you have a bunch of old doors left over, or you find them for a very cheap price compared to what lumber costs in order to construct a raised bed, this is a very unique way and productive way in order to grow a garden. We have kohlrabi, we got parsnips, some beets. We had a whole mess of very, very good Brussels sprouts that was grown in this bed.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.